Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to open Compass and get a quick, accurate reading. First, make sure Location Services is enabled so the app can access the magnetometer. Open Settings Privacy Location Services and confirm it's on. Next, launch Compass from your home screen or swipe to Control Center to tap the compass icon. Place the iPhone on a flat surface. When the app asks, follow the calibration motion until the red dot stabilizes. Once done, you'll see the live heading and degrees. Now refine the reading and use compass features to get precise direction. Hold your iPhone vertical to read bearing to a landmark, or lay it flat for azimuth accuracy. The magnetometer performs differently based on orientation. Swipe or tap to view coordinates and elevation if your model supports it, and enable the built-in level to check small angle differences. If you need a specific heading, lock the bearing visually and approach your route, while watching the degree readout, and finish by verifying the reading and addressing common issues. If the compass swings or jumps, recalibrate immediately by waving the iPhone in a figure-8 motion until the calibration completes. This realigns the magnetometer. Make sure to remove magnetic cases, mounts, or nearby electronics that distort the field. If the compass still behaves oddly after recalibration and removing interference, restart your iPhone to reset sensors. If problems persist, use diagnostics in settings or contact Apple support. That single recalibration trick fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.